If you double the number of experiments you do per year, you're going to double your inventiveness. Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, emphasizes the importance of experimentation in the pursuit of innovation. This quote underscores the idea that experimentation is at the heart of discovery. In the fast-paced world of technology and e-commerce, standing still means falling behind. Bezos believes that innovation isn't just about having good ideas, it's about trying out many ideas, some of which will inevitably fail. By doubling the number of experiments, you increase the chance of finding something truly groundbreaking. Failure is not the enemy, stagnation is. For Bezos, the process of trial and error is what leads to breakthroughs. The more you test, the more you learn, and this accumulated knowledge eventually translates into inventive solutions and success. Thus, the quote is a call to action for entrepreneurs to embrace risk, encourage creativity, and constantly push the boundaries of what's possible.